For this project, you're going to need the template which is available from my website, and I'll put the link in the description below so you can download the PDF. We're going to cut out each of these rectangles. We're going to cut out of crepe paper 3 small petals, 3 large petals, and 2 leaves. The square with the 3 cm label is just a measuring guide. These lines are to show you which way the grain in the florist grade crepe should run. It's important you cut them out with the grain running in the right direction, or you will be unable to shape the petals correctly. You will need florist grade paper in the colour of your choice for the flowers and in green for the leaves. You will also need 3 12-inch long stiff florist wires, pale green florist tape, toilet paper, craft polystyrene balls, PVA glue, and a glue gun. To start with, we're going to cut out the leaves. I'm folding the crepe in half and cutting both sides at one time. This doesn't have to be too precise. I'm going to crease the leaves to give them some shape. And I've run a bead of PVA glue down the centre of the leaves. Take one of the florist wires and lay it in the centre of the leaf. Twist it slightly to make sure it's covered in the glue, and fold the leaf over and crease along the wire. We're going to do the same with the second leaf, making sure there's plenty of glue on the wire. Fold the crepe over and crease it. I'm going to sit those to one side so the glue can dry. I've cut 3 petal blanks from the purple crepe. To make the petal shape, I'm going to concertina it up a little and use the 3 cm measure to show me where to do a single twist. I'm going to put a blob of hot glue in there and fold over the top. We need to make sure the bit we fold over stays within the shape of the petal and doesn't stick out at the sides. I'm going to do the same for all 3 petals. You can of course use PVA glue, although I find that the moisture from the glue causes the colour of the crepe to run, staining your fingers. We're going to do the same for the bottom of the petals. But before the glue sets, I'm just going to stretch out the bottom to give it a more realistic shape. Once the glue is set, you can't really do this. I'm going to repeat the same process now with the larger petals. Again, measuring 3 cm and giving it a twist. Adding a dab of hot glue. And fold the top inwards. And again, we're going to repeat the process for the bottom of the petals. This time, we're going to make the bottoms of the petals wider before the glue sets. It's important to keep the 2 sizes of petals separate. I usually lay mine out on top of the template so I can easily see which is which. Take a third piece of wire and using pliers make a loop on the end. Push it into the polystyrene craft ball to make a dent and secure it in place with hot glue. Starting with the small petals, just roll in the edges to give a more natural look. Add a blob of hot glue to the inside bottom of the petal and attach it to the polystyrene ball. Repeat that a third of the way around with the second petal and then the third. It's the same for the large petals. This time place them so they alternate over the joints of the small petals. And allow the glue to set. Next, take a length of toilet paper. Fold it in half and secure it to the top of the wire with hot glue. And twist it down to form a stem. Add a small amount of glue at the bottom and tear off any excess toilet paper. Take a length of florist tape. Stretch it to activate the sticky wax and then wrap that around the stem. Try to make sure that you cover all of the toilet paper. Any paper showing through can be covered with another bit of tape. Take another piece of tape, stretch it to activate the wax, and use that to attach the leaves. Make sure all the wire is covered. Then just bend the wires to give the leaves some shape. And there we have our crepe paper tulip. Please check out my other videos and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.